90 days of domestic violence. I try to picture myself in this position, but remain silent. I get to thinking about this shit we been through. We close like kids, but you remain my friend. But realistically, painting perfect pictures ain't never worked. My misery was so deep, couldn't sleep. This life was sin that got the both of us in trouble, but you always stay down for a nigga, so that's why I love you. Promise of a better tomorrow, promise that I'll change it. Swear I can't live with you, but without you every day I miss you. Word on you, hold my pistol, my gangster bitch, hit you always in the mood for love. That's why I'm sleeping with you. Though not the man of your dreams, my plan is nobody cries no more. I promise that I'll change in time. It's a complicated world, so girl, just be your friend. I swear I'll never call you bitch again. That's my word. I wake up early in the morning, at the crack of dawn, niggas still tired, so I'm yawning. And now I'm gone, trying to get my money on.